guys, this is Ed Koo from Granite Supplements. I am Rebel. We're going to do a shoulder, chest, tricep workout. You've probably never seen that sequence before, but I like to alternate shoulders and chest. One workout I'll do chest first and shoulder second. Second workout of the week, which is today, would be shoulders first, chest second, of course triceps always third. The workout's a little bit different. We're going to start with like a modified Viking press. The reason why we're doing that is because it's an event at the Super League I'm very weak at. So I actually start with that movement first, and I work very hard on it. Some of you guys know how I train. I like to move at a very fast pace, high intensity type of workouts. I do a lot of failure sets, a lot of volume, and I like to rest very short. So within an hour, I can do up to probably 16, 17 failure sets from one workout. And that's how I like to train. I really enjoy that type of training. I really do believe it benefits the hybrid type of athlete, but it also benefits guys that are just trying to put on size. So we're gonna hit shoulders first, chest second, triceps third, so we're gonna get to it. As you can see, I work very fast. My warm-ups are usually 30 seconds between my workout sets, or actual work sets are only a minute. I don't like to rest too long, and this actually fits the Super League format because you do have to go fast. And if you're not used to moving at a fast pace while doing a lot of failure sets, that's where a lot of guys get caught. We did a couple sets of these. We did 2 working sets on these. We moved right into seated lateral raises, and here I really concentrate on not moving a whole lot of weight. I really want to isolate the side delt, so I straighten out my arm completely, and I pretend I try to reach for the walls on each side on my right and left, and that really does isolate the traps from being used, and it gets the side delts tremendously. A lot of guys use a lot of weight on side laterals. I don't think you need to, so we did a couple reps, a couple sets over here. On to the seated hammer shoulder press. That's more of a compound isolation movement for me. It really isolates the shoulders. We moved into some heavy sets. Didn't really need a lot of warm-ups because we're warm up from the Viking press. And proceeded to do 2 working sets here. From here, we move on to our 4th movement, which is the incline dumbbell flies. And the reason why we're doing this is because it's an event, one of the events at Super League. So here I worked up to a heavy set of 12s, and I did about 2 sets here. And then our 3rd exercise, which is another event of the Super League, is the dips. Now, this is a free dip, meaning it's just body weight. We don't have a dip machine, which they use at Super League. So here we just hammered out 3 sets to really fire off the triceps, and they felt pretty good. Elbows were good. end up doing 3 of the events in the Super League in one day, you know, which is the Viking press, the incline flies, and the dips. So concludes today's workout. It was fun, furious, fast, and hit the spot. Until next time.